YASUNI ITT. YASUNI National Park, located in the Ecuadorian Amazon jungle, is a unique sanctuary of biodiversity. 1 hectare of YASUNI encloses more trees and shrub species than the whole of North America. The YASUNI National Park is home to 2 isolated indigenous groups, the Tagaeri and the Taromenane, who inhabit the national park along with the Waorani. YASUNI ITT is an initiative to change history. Ecuador has proposed a pioneering and innovative scheme to the world to address the global responsibility of climate change as well as the future of humanity. The proposal is to leave untouched the 846 million barrels of crude oil that are located in the underground of the ITT block at YASUNI National Park. This initiative will avoid the emission of 407 million metric tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. In exchange, Ecuador requests the international community to assume co-responsibility by providing at least half the revenue that the country would receive for the exploitation of these oil reserves. Direct benefit of the initiative: non-emission of 407 million metric tons of carbon dioxide in addition to the non-exploitation of the oil reserves. Preservation and conservation of the outstanding biodiversity at the YASUNI National Park, declared a World Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO and other 43 protected areas. Respect for the indigenous cultures that live in voluntary isolation in the YASUNI Park. Reforestation of 1 million hectares and the transition from the current development model based on oil extraction towards a sustainable model of development with extensive use of renewable sources of energy, respect for biodiversity and social equity. YASUNI ITT Trust Fund. The government of Ecuador will issue guarantee certificates to the contributors. This certificate is a guarantee that the oil reserves will remain underground indefinitely. It is a document that does not earn interest and does not have an expiration date. The warranty is in perpetuity and shall become effective only in case the Ecuadorian state orders oil exploitation of the ITT fields. The product of the international contributions will be deposited in an international trust fund administered by the United Nations. The YASUNI Fund Investments. The YASUNI Fund will be invested in effectively conserving and preventing deforestation of 44 protected areas in Ecuador, in the reforestation, forestation, natural regeneration, and the proper management of 1 million hectares of forest, in the expansion of renewable energy projects in Ecuador by using the country's vast hydroelectric, geothermal, wind, and solar potential, in programs to increase national energy efficiency and savings programs, in social development in the initiative zones of influence. Who will contribute to the YASUNI ITT project? The YASUNI ITT Fund may receive contributions from several sources: contributions from partner countries and international multilateral organizations, contributions from responsible corporations concerned with the future of humanity, philanthropists concerned about the consequences of climate change, citizens from all over the world, throughout our website. A proposal to change history. As a result, oil will remain underground forever, sheltered by its unique biodiversity. The indigenous communities, their ancestral rights, in harmony with nature. YASUNI ITT is an initiative to change history.